Hello to all my fellow numismatic coin collectors out there. This is Numismatic King in the Skydome of Borg-e-Milad. It's a dark room up here. There's barely anything noticeable, but the beautiful part about the Skydome is that they darkened it so that we could see the art on the walls. It's beautiful up here. Just gonna do a quick pan around. There's thousands and thousands of LEDs. This thing goes all around, all the way around. Very modern, abstract art. Apparently all of these things have meanings. The history of Iran, Tehran, and all the cities in Iran are portrayed